Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's a Selenite Gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A silk beige MB Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging. Opening up the tailgate, we've got a clean set of floor mats. Alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a linden wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. We got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, our turn wheel for our infotainment center. This C300 has 13,433 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300, check out feldmanimports.com.